Hello everyone, the Closet Reviewer here. In today's video, I would like to share with you my choice for my summertime skincare. Previously we had tried together the anti-aging kit from Paula's Choice. You can have a look at the video by clicking on the link that appears on your screen, and I had as well provided a feedback after using this anti-aging kit for around 4 weeks. And I had mentioned that the anti-aging kit is more suitable for autumn and winter time when there is no that much sunshine, because the anti-aging skincare kit includes some components that make your skin less resistant to the sun damage. So I've received my order. I know that I promised that we're gonna look what are we going to buy together, but I received an email saying that I have a discount for this particular kit, and because I was looking at it already previously, I knew that I will go for it. Here is our packaging. I hadn't unpacked it yet. Here we have a voucher to get the full size of this kit. Here is the skincare kit that I decided to go with, Glowing Skin Essentials. And it has a cleanser, which, as it says, quickly and gently removes makeup. And I think that Paula's Choice's cleansers are very good, because the one that was in the anti-aging kit, it removed my makeup very easily, and even the mascara that I found really hard to remove with other cleansers. Then we have the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. We have, of course, the moisturizer. So this is a glow moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30. And I would recommend applying an additional SPF 50 on top of that, especially in the summertime, because my skin gets red very quickly. So I am trying to protect it in different ways. And then we have the moisturizer for the night. And let's open this box. It comes very nicely organized. Right here we have our cleanser. There it is. It matches the color of my nails. This is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant that has salicylic acid. This is the one that we should apply in the daytime. This one contains kiwi and licorice, and if you are among the people that hate licorice, as me, just let me know in the comments. But I hope that it will have a great benefit on the skin. I'm not eating this cream, so it should be good. Last but not least, we have the Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer with wild cherry and flaxseed. There it is. So these are the products that I've decided to go with for my summertime skincare. I will let you know in one of my next videos if I like this choice that I made or not, and maybe some pros and cons. I have the feeling that I'm going to love it. Before I go, to be honest, I'm so curious to find out how this cream smells with kiwi and licorice. And I'm going to open this, and I want to smell it. Oh, protection. I don't want no preview, you give me the sequel. Oh, it just smells more like an SPF. There is no scent of licorice in there. So this is my recent purchase from Paula's Choice. I'm going to give it a go, and I will let you know my impressions from this Glowing Skin Essentials kit. And just an advice from me, guys, I think that it's always much better to buy a travel kit option to try it on your skin, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on something that might not be suitable for your skin. Now I know for sure that I am purchasing in the autumn time the anti-aging range from Paula's Choice, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just feel free to click on this subscribe button to get all the updates that I'm posting, and feel free to find me on other social medias, Instagram, TikTok as The Closet Reviewer, and speak to you soon.